Welcome to the Skylink guide for linking orbit to IFTTT. Please prepare your Skylink net or orbit and IFTTT accounts. First, log into your IFTTT account. Next, go into your profile from the button on the top right of your screen and press Create. Then press the plus icon. To set up your IFTTT platform, search for Skylink Net. Choose Skylink Net. Press Connect and a new window should pop up requesting that you log into your Skylink Net or Orbit account. Enter your Skylink Net or Orbit info. Scroll to the bottom and find the garage door opener settings through Orbit. Select your garage door. Then press the Create trigger. Press the plus icon. Choose the responding service that you would like when the condition has been met. Then press Create Action. Review your completed process and press Finish. If successful, it will say you made a new connection at the top. Let's check out the IFTTT process that we've just created. As you're coming home, an email notification will be sent to all your active users. Let's try creating another process. This process will automatically close your garage door when you leave the vicinity of your home. First, go back to create your own IFTTT. Press the plus icon. Search for location. Then choose You Exit an Area. Select the perimeter that you would like to classify as home. Then press Create Trigger. Click the plus icon. Search for Skylink Net. Scroll down to choose Close Orbit Garage Door with the Orbit app. Select your desired garage door and press Create Action. If successful, it will say you made a new connection at the top. Let's check out the IFTTT process that we've just created. With this process set up, when you leave the area that you have set, the garage door should close automatically. Congratulations! You successfully linked Orbit to IFTTT. Thank you for choosing Skylink.